Alright guys, so today we're going to go ahead and install the vz102099 on the Dodge Charger Scat pack. The finish on the splitter. The finish on the splitter is satin black iced with a black trim. Alright, so now we're just going to go ahead and proceed in lifting up the car. So now we're just going to go ahead and proceed in breaking off these tabs. So taking these off, it gives you a better clearance for the front splitter to go in. So the front splitter comes with 2 support rods, self-tapping screws, L brackets, and bolted nuts for your winglets. So usually when you get your front splitter wrapped or anything wrapped, you don't see the holes on the top, but you do see them in the bottom. Same thing with the front splitter, they're located in the bottom. So we're just gonna go ahead and start poking the hole. Pulling the winglets to the front splitter. Once you're done assembling your winglets, they are gonna go ahead and look like this on both sides. So the trim does come with a protector film, so I'm just gonna go ahead and peel that off. So before we had wrapped this splitter, I had already pre-made holes to my OEM holes on the bumper. That way it's a little bit easier just to line it up to the center. So I'm just gonna probably poke the holes through. Now we're just gonna go ahead and use self-tapping screws to attach the front. Alright, so we have successfully bolted in the front splitter. It doesn't really come with washers, but in this case, we went ahead and used washers per the customer's request. For extra securance, we went ahead and used a little bit more bolts than what Vicrez do provide, but again, that is a personal choice. You don't have to. You could also use your pre-existing bolts, which will cover those ends, but those bolts are a little bit too small, so you will have to buy replacements in order to be able to use them. So support rods, some people don't like to install them, some people do. I highly recommend them because it helps with the weight in the front. You could place them coming from your pre-existing hole right here on your grill, or you can make a new hole into your bumper. It's really up to you. Some people do it sideways, some people do it straight. You could put them inward, you could put them outward. It's really up to you where you want to place them. So you do have the option of wrapping your support rods. Online we do offer gloss carbon, dry carbon, I believe gloss black, and matted. But you could buy your own vinyl, like any different finish, and wrap them yourself or have a body shop do it. So we went ahead and did new holes into the grill. And now he's just assembling back the support rod. This is all optional, you don't have to do this. You could do it this way in case you don't want to take off your front bumper. You could use bolts and nuts, but you would have to take off your front bumper. So now we're just placing the rod's position, and we're just gonna mark it in place. That's a wrap, guys. We successfully finished the install on the front splitter vz102099 with the satin black iced vinyl. We also used the super gloss gray vinyl. We are gonna drop all the links below for the vinyl that we use, the front splitter that we use. This is also the 2020 conversion from Vicrez. We also are gonna probably start doing custom made banners. This is using Vicrez vinyl wrap, super matted black. And then don't forget our Widebody wheels. These are vz102099 and they are in stock, ready to go. We also got the spoiler, vz102099. And don't forget your carbon fiber steering wheel.